Bluetooth. Welcome to the next bit of the video, and in this you're going to take a look at this instruction manual real quick to see, because I was hoping this was Bluetooth. Maybe it's not, maybe it is. Okay, I guess I'll just read this in my own time, and I'll see you later, and I'll let you know how this works. Thanks for watching. So far it looks cool. UHF. It says transmitter and receiver. I wonder if I've got any any Bluetooth speakers that are compatible with this. We could try the Amazon Alexa, but then that's wired. It's not wireless. That wouldn't help our case at all. We'll see. Thanks for watching.
Likey.